Hello guys, welcome back to Entrance Yoga. This is Tahira Zofisha and today I'll be teaching you basic vocab जो मैंने पहले भी बताया है PYQ based होगा AMU Law Entrance and this is gonna be the third part. पहले दो parts मैंने already upload कर दिए हैं, आप जाके चैनल पे चेक कर सकते हो. Without wasting time, let's move ahead. So the first question says, by taking one of two center holidays, you can, as it were, kill two birds with one dash. See, सिर्फ हमारे लिए ये phrase important है, kill two birds with one. Kill two birds with one stone. एक तीर से दो निशाने. The meaning of the expression Achilles heel. Achilles heel का जो phrase है, it means a weakness or a fault. Choose the correct option. Prayer for help. Prayer for help जो हमारा phrase है वो जाएगा invocation के साथ because invocation is also asking for help from the superior authority or deity or the spirit or the god. Synonym of modest would be humble. The antonym of strange. Strange का antonym क्या होगा? Strange means which is unusual. So antonym ढूंढना है हमें उसका तो familiar, which we are already acquainted with. Synonym of ally. ally का synonym क्या होगा? ally का synonym होगा friend. ally मतलब simple याद रखो friend. Accomplice is that person who is partner in crime, who is an associate in crime. The antonym of the word manifest. Manifest का simple मतलब होता है which is very obvious, which is not hidden. तो इसका antonym ढूंढना है तो latent would be the antonym. Latent मतलब क्या होता है which is concealed or which is hidden, which is not visible by naked eye. बोलते हैं ना latent defect, patent defect. तो latent defect are those defect जो हमें naked eye से दिखता नहीं है. Synonym of impediment. Impediment means something which cause obstruction in the progress. So इसका synonym ढूंढना है हमें. Clear नहीं होगा. Ailment मतलब होता है some illness, incapable नहीं, obstruction. सारी easy questions है, बहुत easy words है. At the drop of a hat. At the drop of a hat मतलब होता है all at once. Without hesitation, immediately, suddenly, all at once. Okay, moving ahead. Synonym of spurious. Spurious means something which is bogus, something which is fake, not genuine, something which is counterfeited. तो इसका authentic तो नहीं होगा. Authentic तो हमारा antonym हो जाएगा. False would be the appropriate answer. और right और pure जाएगा नहीं यहाँ पे word के हिसाब से. Question will be answered by a dash of experts. Question answer कौन करेंगे? Dash of experts करेंगे. Staff of experts नहीं, band of experts नहीं, bunch of experts नहीं, panel of experts करेंगे. To die in harness means to die while still in service. To die in harness का मतलब होता है die while still in service. मतलब सर्विस अभी था, सुपर एनुएशन एज भी नहीं पहुंचा था, मतलब रिटायर भी नहीं हुआ था वो पर्सन, बट स्टिल ही डाइड इन बिटवीन द सर्विस. अभी सर्विस की एज में ही उसकी डेथ हो गई. तो दैट उसको हम कहते हैं टू डाई इन हार्नेस. सिनोनिम ऑफ एडवांस. एडवांस का सिनोनिम क्या होगा? रेड्यूस नहीं, फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं, प्रोग्रेस। एन accomplice is a person who is an associate in crime. मैंने बताया ना, पार्टनर इन क्राइम, एसोसिएट इन क्राइम, उसको accomplice कहते हैं. The word apprehend means to apprehend. सब लीगल टर्मिनोलॉजीज है. Apprehend means to anxiety नहीं होता है, arrest होता है. To arrest for a crime. The word impeach means to charge with theft in trade, charge with kidnapping a child, trade in impeaches apples and grapes, nahi, charge with some misconduct in office. ऑफिस में उसने कुछ मिसकंडक्ट किया है, तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ही हैज बीन इम्पीच्ड. Moving ahead. Antonym of foremost. Foremost. Foremost का एंटोनिम क्या होगा? Foremost मतलब क्या होता है? Something which is leading, something which is most important. Dispose, mature, unimportant. Unimportant would be the appropriate answer. Synonym of the word reciprocate. Reciprocate का synonym क्या होगा? Reciprocate मतलब होता है to recover from illness, rehabilitate, recover, reimburse, preempt. It's recover. Find the meaning of the definition. A person who readily believes in others. उसको credulous कहते हैं. जो दूसरों पे बहुत आसानी से ट्रस्ट कर लेता है, तुरंत ट्रस्ट कर लेता है, उसको क्रेडुलस कहते हैं उस पर्सन को. और क्रेडिबल वो पर्सन होता है जो ट्रस्ट वर्दी होता है, इस पर ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं. क्रेडिबल. A phrase saying eye to an eye means agreeing with someone, agreeing with someone's opinion, seeing an eye to eye. Okay, that's it for today. Let's meet in another class. Bye bye.